Hello everyone and welcome to this Python course organized by NTE. This is a short video on the introduction of Python and what makes Python so interesting. Let us begin. Python has been launched by Guido van Rossum in 1989, post which there have been several updates to this Python. The latest version being Python 3 released in December 2008. According to TIOB Index, Python is the second most popular programming language in the world. Some of the Python's features are it's open source and has a quite large community, which makes programming in Python easier. It supports graphical user interface programming, which is the fun part of Python, and also has a large library of modules, which is quite helpful in programming in different aspects. Python is also portable, meaning it supports all OSs like Mac OS, Linux, Windows, and many more. Python uses object-oriented programming, which we will learn about in the further videos. Now let us see some applications of Python and what makes Python so interesting. So Python has a varied application from web development to 3D graphications. Hence, this also makes career in Python a good choice. Some applications like web development, desktop applications, software development, in the field of education, database accessing. You can also use it for network programming, game development, and 3D graphics. These were some of the best uses of Python, and there are many more. Now let's summarize this video. We learned what is Python, who discovered Python, why Python is so powerful, what makes Python so special a language, and what are the applications of Python. I hope this video makes you think of a career in Python. Thanks for watching and hope you like the video.